What's up guys, Top Fishing TV, and today we're going to be doing a different type of video that I haven't done before. And this should have been a catch and cook, but it's only just a cook, because we went fishing today at Headley Reservoir, which is where the derby was, and I caught some trout. My cousin got some too, and it was just rainy, so I didn't feel like filming or anything. And I don't have all the gear yet. Once I get better gear, I'll probably do some videos in the rain, but... So, I caught 2 trout, some pretty big ones. This one right here is the biggest. And we're going to just basically cook them today. So, first off, we're going to start with the fillet. And, sorry I haven't been uploading that much. I just have been busy. I went on a school trip and stuff like that. So, let's go. So, here's like a better look at them if you didn't see. We're just going to do one by one gutting. This is my first time ever gutting a fish. And I watched a YouTube video. And pretty sure I know how to do it. So, let's see how it goes. Okay, so we're just going to clean the fish off real quick. Just a little already. Alright. So, the first part, what we're going to do is take our knife, there we go, right between the gills right here. There's a little piece of meat. Just going to cut that through. This is not that good of a knife, but there you go. So, see now the gills are separated from the actual meat. So what we're going to do now is take our knife and go right down the middle. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to take the fish and go right here. Just poke them a little bit. Just we're going to cut down the middle. This is not the best area to do this. It's all slimy. Okay, so now we've got a better knife. We're going to see if this works. So the reason I'm gutting this fish, besides filleting it, is because if you gut it, you get more meat, especially with trout. So, gutting it, we'll get into it after I actually cut this. So far, this is our fish. Gonna right through the middle, up to his back fin. Alright. So now that this is done, so there's a part right here. I'm gonna push this through, and it just pops out. So there we go. The fish, so. I don't know water. I'm just gonna get it. And this all just comes out pretty easy. Just pull it like that. Alright, so that's our first fish gutted. So put them over here, and then we'll get the second fish. Alright, so here's our second fish. It's a much bigger trout than the other one. There we go, that's the meat. So, now get it. Ah, that's super slimy stuff. So there's a little like bloodstream or black, like, gut right here. So what you do is you just take your finger, kind of go like that, and then it just cleans out really. It's not too hard. Alright, I think that's pretty decent. So there we go, that's our second fish. Second and last fish. So, let's go get these ready to cook. Okay, so we're just getting all the excess, like, black out of it. And also we're cutting off the fins. We're probably going to take off the head too. And then we're going to cook it in flour and butter and salt and pepper. So, we'll see how it goes. Here we got our other fish. Again, we're going to cut basically just the head off with the fins. Okay, so this is our finished product. We made some sear lines. Things good. Inside all good. And 2 fish. We're going to dip it in this flour, and then pan with butter, then put salt and pepper, and that's how we're going to do. About 5 minutes in the oven. It's going to be ready, and hoping it tastes pretty good, because it's my first ever fish that I have caught and ate. So I'm just really interested to see how good this is. So I'll tell you when it's cooked. is laid in the pan. Careful, just use the, actually you should just hold the tail. Careful. Don't ever do that! You don't drop something into hot oil. Okay, so this is the finished product. We're gonna see how it tastes now. There's a lot of bones, so we gotta be careful on it. Alright, so thank you for watching, and this was it for my first fish that I ever caught and cooked.